ConocoPhillips in 2019 obtained an arbitral award against the Venezuelan government, valuing a large sum of money. This decision followed a move by the Bolivarian Republic to nationalize assets belonging to the U.S. company. The company sought and acquired a favorable judgment through the Guyana High Court, a ruling to register the arbitrary award, which claims monies owed to Venezuela and its state-owned oil company PDVSA. Since the nation's interest is at risk, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anin Nandlal, during his weekly program Issues in the News, made it clear that he is steadfast in his belief that a local court's decision is not in line with national policy.
Is it not contrary to the public policy of Guyana, having regard to its national security, having regard to its national sovereignty, having regard to everything that I have said? Is it not against the national policy of our country to permit the registration and enforcement of that award against Venezuela's debt in Guyana?
The Attorney General argued that enforcing the arbitral award would contradict Guyana's public policy given the ongoing border controversy with Venezuela.
How do you think the Venezuelan government will view a court in Guyana permitting an American company to take away money that Guyana owes to Venezuela?
Nandlal stressed that the executive determines the national policy of the country and not the judiciary. He added that once the executive determines that something is against the national policy and it is before the court, the executive needs to report that to the judiciary, and the court ought to accept and to decline jurisdiction.
You can't have a judiciary moving in one direction and a legislature going in another direction. The judiciary can't be a standalone. These are not matters for the judiciary.
The Attorney General said national interest matters are for the executive, and the people who must make that decision have already done so at the level of Parliament. Reports are that the Ghana government escrow account for the payment of Venezuela as a deposit of $32 million under the Petro-Caribbean Agreement. Tianoko reporting for the HGP Night 3 News.